I would try a different setup here for slider mates, and so I started a new document. There's some old stuff in here that probably isn't relevant, but anyway, in this part studio here, I decided, actually this assembly, I decided to put a slider mate in the back of this cylindrical part. And as you can see, these two mates have lined up. Somehow the z-axes are facing the same direction, and when you go to edit the slider mate, I can put in 0 as the initial limit, and I could put in 3 as the maximum. This is exactly how I would expect it to behave. It starts out here, and you want it to move 0 in that direction, and 3 inches in this case in that direction, and everything kind of makes perfect sense. That's what you would enter into these boxes, even though it violates everything I've discovered, is that this z-axis facing that direction, this is actually in the negative direction of that z-axis going that way, but this is how I would expect it to behave. And for some reason it behaves this way with this model, and all the other models I'm showing, it doesn't behave anything like this at all. But what I did was I took this model, part, I copied it, and then I pasted that tab into this document, and now the two mate connect. Same exact. I just copied, what do you call it, paste tab. I just pasted the tab here, made an assembly, and the mates are going in the opposite direction. And in order to get the same motion here, I need to, if I enter the same 0, the same 3 here, I think everybody knows what's going to happen here from the other videos, is that it actually moves in a negative direction here. It moves this direction here. So in order for it to move to the right in this case, I need to edit this. I think I need to enter -3 here, but that's a complete mystery because it's not consistent enough to understand any part of this. And then 0 here, and I think that will now start moving things in this direction. Yes, but who could know that? How do you possibly know that from this interface? And why are these now in the opposite direction, and the other one they're in the same direction? What's the difference? Why is it showing up that way? So anyway, I guess everybody's comfortable with this. That's fine. I'm out. I've got things to do. I'll adapt. Still think it's a really bad interface, which to me, it's the reason I use Onshape is because of the interface. That this is just as bad as I've ever seen. And when I say bad, I mean something that two of my friends and I could not figure out. We're not the sharpest tools in the shed, right? That's a given. But now this is a -3 here. This is a -3 here moving. And this one, this is -3 in this other document. Let's see. I'll do it here and edit. Yeah, in this document here, it's a +3. Same exact part, same exact everything. And it's switched the mates around where this is a +3, which is, in this case, exactly what you'd want to do. You set the minimum 0 and the positive. So anyway, I guess everybody's comfortable with this. See you around.